Hi, Awoken One. You're tuned in to Woke Nation TV. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Land Inheritance Act ritual of the Igbo people. If you're new here, please click and subscribe. You can also turn on notifications to stay updated with latest posts. This conversation has sparked a lot of controversies on social media and among the Igbo communities. Today, we'll be shedding more light to this topic, especially as it relates to the Igbo women. Feel free to drop a comment if you get anything wrong. We learn together. The Igbo ethnic group's land inheritance customs appear to favor men over female relatives of a deceased male's family. In cases where there is an absence of sons, the deceased personal property, including lands, goes to his siblings, who share it according to seniority. Although Igbo women are by and large excluded from inheritance, the females are permitted joint tenancy with their brothers, whether married or not, whilst the eldest son is left in full control over such property. Traditionally, a woman can be charged with staying unmarried to maintain the lineage rights to her father's lands. Such customs are called nrachi or idebe in Newi, while in Nanka it's called nikwa or nachi. Several other communities in the Igbo lands have this practice with various names attached to it. This custom takes effect when there is an absence of a son or male descendants. A daughter is then given the option to stay in the family to assume the status of a female son. She is also encouraged to procreate to maintain the continuity of the family and the lineage. Such daughters are not only referred to as female sons, but also a female father, as she assumes the role of the head of her family on the death of her father. As a female son, she is entitled to own ancestral land as well as inherit other extended family property. For example, in Nanka, the requirements needed to perform the Nnukwu ceremony are 2 gallons of nkwenu, 2 gallons of ngo, 1 live cock, kola nuts, and assorted food for the guests, and is performed in the presence of her umunna, that is, relatives. The chief priest performs the ceremony and introduces the bride to her indiche, meaning ancestors. She automatically becomes a man after the ritual and is given the rights of a man. With that, the journey of Obiechina begins, meaning, may my kindred never end. After the ritual, children born by her can then inherit the lands of her father as well as the ancestral lands of her father. Men who father their children would not be responsible for the children. They also cannot inherit the land willed to her or her sons. The men who father the children are thus regarded as efurefu. The question is, how do we engage to bring a needed evolution of our customs and traditions to address the values of modern individuals and society? We'll be discussing that on our next video. Again, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the next episode. Click the link in the description to read more about this topic. Follow us on social media to stay inspired and informed. There you have it. Hope you learned something today. If there is anything we didn't get right, feel free to drop a comment and the best comments will be pinned. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more.